welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're here with me today because I have this Christmas ornament quilted coaster that I want to show you how to make. Very easy. This Christmas coaster is a very easy project to make that also includes having to use your pinky shear scissors. I really like these pinky shear scissors because it gives it a nice zigzag finishing touch. Very easy project to make. You can make it with your scrap fabric. You can see you don't need that much fabric. Continue watching my video and I'll show you exactly how to make them. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, don't hesitate to put them on the comments. If you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, have fun keeping it crafty.